Hey everyone, so today the origami that I have in front of you goes by many names. It's a very nice modular origami which is based on Waterbomb Base, and it is called the skeleton of an octahedron or three intersecting squares, or also as a spinner. Now why it's called the skeleton of an octahedron? Because these edges which you're seeing over here, they're the edges of an octahedron. So if I cover all of these edges up, it makes up an octahedron. Three intersecting squares will be made clear in some time, but my favorite is the spinner. So you just hold it between your palms and you blow air into this. So this becomes a very nice model. You can try it in many different sets and you can actually make it spin a lot. So without further ado, let's start folding. So for this, we'll have to make a waterbomb base. So how to make a waterbomb base? We start with a square sheet of paper, and as you're seeing, I have taken a smaller square sheet of paper, and we'll firstly take the we'll firstly fold it along these diagonals. So for that, I'll take this corner and I'll fold this corner on top of the other corner. Similarly, I'll do it for the other side as well. And then we turn this paper over and we'll fold it along these half lines so that we can get a plus sign coming up over here. So as I had mentioned, this is a modular origami. So that means that there are different pieces in this, and all of them are nothing but just these waterbomb bases. So how do we make a water bomb? We take all of these four corners. So you can see these the plus which we made, it would have actually gotten you these 4 points on the edge of the square. So we'll put all of these corners together and we'll just squeeze it and we get this. This is called the waterbomb base. So the waterbomb base is one of the simplest bases that we have, and we'll require 6 of these bases. So let's get 6 of these bases. So as you all can see, I'm using 3 different colors over here. So these 3 different colors would actually be able to give me the 3 different intersecting squares. So let's start with this yellow one as my base over here, and I will then put this pink one inside. Now before I start folding this up, actually it's already folded, we just need to put the pieces together. I should mention something. So in this waterbomb base, what I can do is I can actually put another waterbomb base inside here. So right now this part of the waterbomb base, it's acting as a socket, and this part of the waterbomb base, it's acting as a pocket, right? So this can act as a pocket and socket simultaneously. So I need 2 of them to be pockets and 2 of them to be sockets. So for now, these 2, I'm going to make them sockets like this. Okay. And these 2, I'm going to make pockets. So now I've gotten both the pinks here together. I want to cover up with the green one. So since this is a pocket, it goes inside the green one. But as you can see that the pink one already has gotten the pink one. This one was the pocket. So this has to be the socket. So the green one goes inside. Okay. Similarly, this green one also goes inside over here. So you can see some sort of a structure is coming up over here. Now we need another green one on this side. So as you can see that this here, these 2 are already pockets. So this one needs to be a socket. So I'll cover it with this green one like this. And now these 2 greens, they actually need to go inside the pink. So you can look at this video again and fold it and see exactly in what arrangement I was putting them inside. But do remember to use 3 different colors if you want to see the intersecting squares. Now for the last one, this yellow would go inside the green as sockets, and it would take up the pink in its pockets. So the last one becomes a bit tricky to fold. So we just need to push it in and lastly this one. And there we have it. So once these are all done, this becomes a very, very stable structure. And there we have it. Now you can see I have got this. So I have gotten this pink square 1, yellow square 2 and green square 3. So because of the way I had folded it, this actually looks like there are these three, this green colored square, this yellow colored square and this pink colored square, which are intersecting each other. So hence this is also called at times three intersecting squares. Happy folding.